And where's it gone here? Oh dear, it keeps disappearing. Top photograph shows the LEM, Lunar Excursion Module. I refer to it as the LEM, Lunar Module, with the mountain in the distance with the bottom photograph, also show the Lunar Excursion Module in the same relative location. Yes, of course it should. If the bottom photograph is taken from a greater distance, shouldn't the Lunar Excursion Module appear in it? Of course it should. Where's it gone? Come on, NASA, front up to it. Okay, lunar rover, isn't it wonderful? They took a car with them, which could do about the same distance, 35 kilometers, on battery power in 1969 as a modern electrical car can today. Technology doesn't do that, it moves forward. This is either this is a radio-controlled model, which is more likely. But it hasn't been moved. You've got the footprints there, quite visible, but no tracks. No tracks at all. How did they manage to get could have been placed there, could have been, I don't know. Again, unexplained detail. Ridiculous nonsense. Okay, lifting off, Apollo 17, lifting off. Top left-hand picture, firing of the ascent engine with the 2 astronauts inside it. Top right, a little further up. Where's the flame? Oh, it's a vacuum, I hear you say. It doesn't, there's no oxygen, so it won't appear. Yes, it does. The bottom left picture, the shuttle, the space shuttle, when it fires its maneuvering engines, you can see a flame. Without getting into the detail of what the fuel is, the Apollo craft and the shuttle use the same fuel. So when you fire a rocket, you have an exhaust. Where did it go? If you look at the top of the lunar descent, there's nowhere for this really quite powerful rocket, 10,000 pounder thrust rocket, there's nowhere for the exhaust to go, so it's going to fry the astronauts. But they weren't fried. They all landed back on Earth, didn't they? There's Earth. Let's go home, shall we? Now, what's going to happen when they start going back to Earth? They're going to go into re-entry. Quite hot. But let's just look at the objections to this. Why didn't the Russians blow the whistle?